In many of our presentations, our activities, and workshops, we are going to present even this material. That's why, even if today in this presentation I have slides about the community resiliency model, today I am not going to explain the model or go deep on this. Do you remember the 7+1 resilient habits? Pure air, sunlight, self-control, rest, exercise, proper diet, water. We are planning that we are going to have a theme. We are going to focus on one of these habits for different months during 2025. You know, upward spotlight, monthly focus. In April, for example, we are going to focus on physical exercise. So in our workshops, we are going to have workshops about the community resiliency model, uh, but we are going to have workshops and even activities giving an emphasis of the importance of physical exercise for the well-being. So it is going to be on April. And the next month, the same. So we have the other habits, and we are going to have experts and professionals in health